Hi guys, you are watching 3D drawing tutorial. I have new things on our website. We have new updates every month. Now you can find the new photos of Katarina ninja posing, 50% discount of the pictures and free 2 weeks premium membership. In this video, I will show you how to draw a male body in 3 different standing poses. For the right proportions, I recommend you to watch the previous tutorials about the human body proportions. So let's draw. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to this channel. Moreover, if you are looking for more inspiration, look at the website photo-reference-for-comic-artists.com. You can leave us a comment what new poses and costumes do you want to see. Also, what tutorial do you want to watch about. Thank you!